What's going on, everyone? Got a 2014 Chevy Silverado today. I'm going to pull out the cabin filter today and check and see if we need to order one for this truck. In doing so, pretty much going to show you how to replace it, okay? So right here at the glove box, what we're going to need to do is remove 4 Torx screws and remove the glove box door. You have one here, here, okay? There's going to be one here, and then one off this side here, okay? Now these are a Torx T15, okay? So pull all these out, and then we'll pull the door off. Okay, with those 4 out, all we have to do is pull the glove box off like this. Okay, it comes right off. Now, okay, so now right here is where the cabin filter is located, okay? Now we're gonna need to push this wiring harness kind of out of our way because we're gonna need to lower the door. To do that, there's a clip right here that we are going to pull towards us, okay? Same thing on this side over here, there's a clip right here, okay? Pull towards us, then the door will come off. Now this cabin filter is gonna be super dirty. It's probably never been changed, or it's been changed very few times, okay? So just pull it right out. And definitely gonna have to order one. This one is gross. I'm probably just gonna throw this one away. And yeah, if you need one, check down in the description box. I'm gonna leave a link with a part number for a new cabin filter. So go check that out. I'm gonna stop the video here, but when you get your new one, you just replace it with the new one. Okay, you guys, hopefully you learned something from the video, and if you did, drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.